Use Associated Bag's air cushion machine and film to quickly and easily create your own air cushion packaging pillows and quilts. Place your machine on a clean, level surface and be sure to read the instructions before using. Plug in your machine and press the power button. It may take several minutes for your machine to warm up. Once the start light stops flashing, your machine is ready to use. Position your film roll on the spindle with the groove for the air nozzle towards the bottom. Trim the bottom corner of the film to make it easier to place over the air nozzle. Thread the film behind the first guidepost and around the front of the second guidepost. Then open the film and slide it over the air nozzle. Start by setting the fan control knob halfway to number 5. Pull the film a short distance through the rollers above the air nozzle and press start. Stop the machine to set the fan control for the desired amount of air in your cushioning. Choosing a lower number will result in cushioning with less air inside, while a higher number will provide cushioning with more air. Then, press the start button to make your cushioning. You can stop the machine anytime to adjust the fan control. When you have finished, tear off your completed air pillows at the perforation in the film. And make sure to turn off your machine when it's not in use. Choose from pillow or quilt style cushioning. To order this air cushion machine, film, or any of our thousands of quality products, please call 800-926-6100 or visit our website at associatedbag.com.